Welcome to using a quadratic formula to solve quadratic equations. It's time to get down to business. So remember, a quadratic equation looks like this. You have ax squared plus bx plus c. And remember that a, b, and c represent real numbers. And the goal of solving a quadratic equation is to identify the two x values that pass through or touch the x-axis. Keep in mind your answer has nothing to do with the y value. You're only going to give the x value because the y value is actually going to be 0. So here we have a quadratic equation, and if you want to solve any quadratic equation, you could use the quadratic formula. It will work every time. And this is what it looks like. X equals negative b. Here we have a plus minus, which means it's going to give us two answers in the end, one positive, one negative. And then we have the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And what we're going to do is input the values of the variables a, c, and b into the formula. Just remember, the 6 will be the a, the 17 will be the b, and the 12 will be the c. And we're going to put it into the equation like so. Notice that each time I put in or I substitute a number, I put it in parentheses. I think that's important because it's going to help you with the double negatives, and it will help keep your work organized. All right, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is calculate the numbers underneath the radical sign. So we're going to take negative 17 squared, and that will be 289. And then we'll take negative 4 times 6 and 12, and that will be 288. Now we will subtract 289 from 288, and we will get the radical 1. And when we have the square root of 1, we know it is 1. So now we're left with 17 plus or minus 1 divided by 12, and this is where we're going to break up this into two problems. One with addition, 17 plus 1 over 12, and one with subtraction, 17 minus 1 divided by 12. Then we'll do the top one first, and 17 plus 1 is 18 over 12, and when we reduce that, it's going to be 3 over 2. Now for the bottom one, with 17 minus 1 is going to be 16 over 12, and that's going to be reduced to 4 over 3. And that's going to be your two x values that cross the x-axis with this quadratic equation. So the answer is x equals 3 over 2 and x equals 4 over 3. Now it's your turn to try. So pause the video here, do the work, and unpause the video when you're done to reveal the answer. Well, hopefully you got it right, and if you did, throw yourself a dance party, and remember, the only time success comes before work is in the dictionary. This has been a Struggling Student Productions. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.